Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing your iPhone for eye protection. Open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness. Enable True Tone so color shifts match ambient light, and lower brightness to a non-glaring level. Next, turn on Night Shift and schedule from sunset to sunrise, or set custom hours so blue light reduces automatically. Once done, make sure auto brightness is enabled under accessibility to adapt to changing light. These steps cut strain immediately and run in the background. Now you'll add targeted adjustments that reduce visual fatigue. Go to Accessibility Right Arrow Display and Text Size and enable Reduce White Point. Slide it until whites feel softer. Then set Dark Mode in Display and Brightness and choose Automatic so dark themes engage after sunset. Also configure Focus or Do Not Disturb during extended screen sessions to limit interruptions. Fewer flashes and notifications mean fewer micro adjustments for your eyes. Together, finish by tailoring readability and habits for long-term eye protection. Adjust text size and enable bold text so you don't squint. Check display zoom if you need larger interface elements. Set screen time limits and take regular 5-10-minute breaks after each hour to rest your eyes. If the display appears overly warm or color looks wrong, toggle True Tone and Night Shift off and on to recalibrate, and restart your phone if issues persist. Doing this resolves most visual glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.